Welcome to latest update program. The topic of discussion is Rashtriya Ekta Diwas 2024. The birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is presently celebrated as Rashtriya Ekta Diwas or National Unity Day to respect his monumental achievement of helping merge over 550 princely states into the Union of India. This day is celebrated on 31st October every year to honor the birth anniversary of India's first Home Minister. For his iron will and nerves of steel, he is often called the Iron Man of India. For his keen initiative and sympathy, his people affectionately called him Sardar. Patel was born on 31st October 1875 in Gujarat's Nadiad. The government has been marking Sardar Patel's birth anniversary as the Rashtriya Ekta Diwas since 2014. The event of National Unity Day gives a chance to reaffirm the inherent strength and versatility of our country to withstand the genuine and potential dangers to the unity, security, and integrity of our nation. About Statue of Unity. The Statue of Unity is built in honor of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. It was inaugurated on 31st October 2018 to mark the 143rd birth anniversary of Sardar Patel. It is located on the Sadhu Bet Island on the Narmada River, which flows between the Satpura and Vindhya mountain ranges. Now is the time for practice question. The birth anniversary of which of the following leaders is presently celebrated as Rashtriya Ekta Diwas or National Unity Day? Swami Vivekanand, Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru or Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching. For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.